When using the foiler on smaller pieces of glass, turn the foiler over so the adhesive side of the foil is facing up with the tip away. Hold the foiler in your dominant hand and the smaller piece of glass in your other hand. This is referred to as bringing the glass to the machine. Select your starting point, usually near a corner, then insert the glass into the glass guide located on the left side of the foiler tip. The glass must make firm contact with the foil that is on top of the roller to ensure the foil is securely stuck to the edge of the glass. Now, slowly rotate the glass to apply the foil while maintaining a constant contact with the roller. Slow down as you approach a corner, then carefully steer the glass and the foiler around the corner. If the glass slides too quickly, it may pop out of the glass guide. Don't worry, simply take up any slack in the foil, reinsert the glass into the guide, and continue foiling. Once you have foiled all the way around to the starting point, allow enough foil for an appropriate overlap. Then, slide the blade switch toward the copper to cut the foil. Now, center and press the end of the foil into place, then inspect the rest of the foil to confirm that it is centered and aligned. Then, use your fingers to firmly press the foil against the outer edge of the glass, ensuring a strong bond. Now, use the crimper burnisher slot located on the right side of the foiler tip to fold over the foil and smooth out the wrinkles. Start by inserting the glass into the crimper burnisher slot just slightly away from a corner. Then move the glass through the crimper burnisher slot, stopping just before reaching any corner. Pull the glass out of the crimper burnisher, turn the corner, then reinsert the glass into the crimper burnisher slot and continue to the next corner. Then use the crimper burnisher slot to fold over the corners. Finally, run the crimper burnisher completely around all sides to ensure the foil is firmly attached to the glass edge. This smaller glass piece is finished, and the foil is perfectly centered on the glass edge, crimped, burnished, and ready to go. Finish by removing the tail of the foil liner from the foiler. Press down on the holder button, then tear the backer across the cutter, and you're ready to move to the next piece in your project.